What is up, everybody? Welcome back to 23rd Garage. So today we are back on the BMW. For those of you guys that are new here, we did do a full motor swap on this car a couple of weeks ago. And for the people who already know this car, I'd like for you guys to guess what is wrong with it before we continue in the video. All right, pop the hood. We gotta find out what's going on with it. What's wrong with it?
Yeah, what's wrong with it? Ain't got no gas.
Dang, the motor's sitting.
It's misfire. Multiple cylinders, and there's low compression in the back cylinder. We may have a bad engine.
Dang, so what do we gotta do? Pull it back out?
I'm just kidding. This guy wants it raised to factory height because he's afraid he's gonna blow another hole in the engine.
That's the issue that we've been having. Well, he's been having. He hates it. Every time he come down here, he said, put some springs on there. So today we are going to throw some springs up under it. You already got the springs, Paul?
Yeah.
What did you get? Did you get just springs or did you get shocks?
Well, actually, you can't. The only springs you can buy are aftermarket ones. There's no. I couldn't find any factory springs anywhere.
Oh,
so I just bought used. I had to source it from like four different places.
Oh, it's them right there.
But check out the difference in junkyards. This junkyard even put the bolts back on. Well, look how clean this one is. This one's filthy. I didn't bother taking that off because obviously that's broken. There's no bolts. So this one cares about detail. That one doesn't.
Well, maybe this car was just a little bit more ragged out than that one. So they were just like, whatever, who cares?
I guess it's possible.
Yeah, I do like that they actually took the time and put the bolts back. That's very nice.
Someone with some extreme OCD.
Well, see, they know that, you know, as we're removing it, we're probably going to lose a bolt or two. First step, we're going to use a screwdriver. We should probably disconnect it from the wheels, from the spindles first, and then... This one went really tight, like super tight. Yep. That's a neat trick. I just tapped this dolly right there into that gap, just a tiny bit, and as I was tapping on it, it started moving. So
let me try. I mean, it came down all. Okay, there it goes. Are you gonna have to remove something else? Oh no.
Nah, mine came off.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, bro, they look the same.
Nah, there ain't no way. I mean, at least I hope there's no way.
Hey, if that's true, then you got two of the same size. They both look like what I just took off, and they look like that. So I think we're good. I think they're interchangeable.
I guess let's try to.
I'm gonna pop this side on.
They're all the same.
We'll see.
He might be right. He been right before. Torque to spec. All right, we're good to go. Put this wheel back on it. Feel like it need a little air. I'll be careful on this one. Nate in his proprietary box. Here. Back on, but I ain't never really thought about it. I've always just struggled.
Man, I would get out of there if I were you.
I ain't going nowhere.
Dang, Nathan, you so terrified.
I am terrified.
Man, he's scared.
How much tension do you think that thing is under?
Let's do a little size comparison and also show them that the red ones were in fact 100% made in Germany, not 50%,
KBA.
100%.
All of it. The paint and everything.
Yeah.
But they didn't build them in Germany and then send them to China to paint.
They didn't, 100% in Germany. That's a pretty good size difference right there. Yeah, this car, it rode very rough.
Yeah.
Like I totally commend the man for you know,
blame him for wanting to do that.
getting his mind right.
Now this is where it gets dangerous.
We gonna get Nathan to get up under here.
All right.
So probably what I was thinking is possibly lifting the car up higher and using the transmission jack.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold the car and make sure it doesn't flip over.
Good man. Oh, wrong bolt. Need to somehow pull the... That was a dangerous operation.
Yeah, I didn't like that.
I don't know if I want to do that side like that, to be honest with you.
How do you want to do it?
Like, lower to the ground.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm always so scared of taking wheels off when it's up like that. Remember that CRV?
What happened?
Oh, yeah.
Bruh,
You took the wheel off?
I took one of the wheels off. I stripped the whole back of the car down. What were we replacing on it? Like,
The rear clip.
oh yeah, I did a whole rear clip and the car was stripped. And then I put it up on the lift.
But you
and-
put it backwards.
Yeah, I put it backwards, and I had the two back wheels on it, and then I took them off when it was low, and then I lifted it, and then I got to talking to Paul about something, and that car just went boom, fell off. That made me cry, man. That lid was like $900,
No, you fixed it.
and I fixed it. Yeah, I had to. After I took the deck lid, and I launched it at the scrap pile, and then I had to go pick it back up. But I fixed it and you couldn't even tell. I was really stupid.
What happened?
I just got knocked out by the rotor, bro.
On the rotor?
Yeah, I stuck my head in there. I don't know why. Dang, bro.
So it didn't feel good, did it?
Oh, I don't know what hurts worse, the back or the front. Look, it got me. It hit me right there, and it basically just sandwiched me right there.
You went to do that.
Yeah,
So you were unscrewing it and you had your head in here.
bro, I was literally like this right here.
It's not funny, man.
That joint got me, and it literally sandwiched me in the quarter panel and that.
Bro, you're wild. Alright, let's
My teeth still there?
I'll push it down and you put the spring in there.
My recent disability.
More or less.
All right, I think you're good now. Yes, sir. Let's do the shock first. Just hold it right. Just leave it right there. There she blows. Ow! Oh. Boy, that nut went on there so fast.
Is it on?
I went to put that nut on there, and that man, hey, give me that adjustable.
It's somewhere over there.
What are these little shields for?
Oh, it's to protect the control arm The guys at Copart.
Hello. Okay.
Where is he going? Where is he going? He taking off with it already. What do you guys think? How does that look? I mean, obviously a lot of you tuner guys are not gonna like it, but for me, this is like how it should sit. You know, no rubbing on the fenders, no weird hard hitting sounds every time you hit a pothole, you know. What do you think, Paul? You know?
Yeah, just it's gonna ride a lot smoother. That was this thing was rough. Like, it seemed like good quality springs, but man, it drove like crap. So
yeah, I mean, the difference between, we should have did a little comparison, but we're trying to get this thing out of here, you know. We just wanted to do this little video for you guys since we weren't able to paint the BMW today, which we will do tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be sick. But yeah, I think he's gonna be very happy. He's been complaining about these springs literally ever since he bought this car, which was like almost 6 months ago. Every time I see him, he said, put some springs on it, put some springs on it. So now finally we got some springs on it. Look at that, you can almost put a fist in there. It did sit a lot lower before and it looked a lot better, but I think for reliability and comfort, this is the only way to go. With all that being said, I'm gonna put the other springs on my car. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.